Today is all about building power, balance, and control. A little bit of a different workout than what I've been doing. Like I said, I'm changing it up. The first exercise I'm doing today is a triple extension, triple balance extension. I think that's what it's called. I'll put the name on the screen. But this is the kind of stuff that gets my ankles, my hips, really plays a huge part in skating, surfing, jumping, sprinting, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, triple balance extension, I think it's called. We're gonna start off with that. And I'm only gonna show you one set, but I'm typically doing 3 sets or 4 sets of some of these things. That way the videos aren't super long and boring. So I'm gonna jump right into it. All right, so next up are forward and backwards lateral jumps. I traded these for my broad jumps I was doing before because that's a little bit more advanced. It's great for just about everything regarding skateboarding, surfing, snowboarding, anything where you're constantly landing on your feet. So for the forward and lateral hops, we're literally going diagonally, and then we got to go backwards. And every time, for every set, you add a little bit more distance. So at first, do a little one, and then in the next set, I'm gonna try and do a little bit further one. So the main lift for today is deadlifts, and this one's all about helping build that explosive strength, back, glutes, hammies. I got a trap bar. This was actually really cheap on Amazon, but just to help, fix form. I had pretty good form with the regular barbell, but I always want to keep improving, try different things. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. Yeah, let's get it. For this one, we're doing 5 reps. I'm at 165, hoping to get to bump up 1 set of these. So I just gotta focus on form. $175. Up next is alternating dumbbell chest press. And instead of going with 2 arms down, I'm holding one up, which forces to train balance, stabilization, all good things. That's a smoker. Next up, pull-ups, my favorite. Literally did these like yesterday, and I think I got 4. So we'll see how many we can get. 3 sets, as many reps as possible. Oh yeah, 5. Progress. So like the craziest thing about all this is that I started with bands, like doing maybe 8, struggling. Then I got 1, 2, 3, and now we're up to 5. That's just incredible. So just keep showing up, whether you're doing push-ups, sit-ups, even if you're doing a home gym or a gym workout, just keep showing up. The hardest part is like month 2 and 3. That's when like the real suck shows up, where it's like, why am I doing this? You just gotta work past that and keep going. It's the same thing with any sport or any activity you do. Just gotta push through those stupid voices telling you to stop. Make it fun. All right, 4. We got 5, then 4. One more set. Almost got that 5th one, but hey, progress, right? Up next is split squat, and this one's all about balance and power. Another great one for pretty much any action sport. Reverse flies for the delts, upper back, and getting nice strong posture. I'm using 8s because I tried the 15s and there was no way that was happening. So in time. All right, so the last exercise, body hollow hold with a hip flexion. So body hollow hold, your back is flat, usually, engaging that core. For this one, we're gonna bring the knee up and raise one arm. And we're gonna hold that. That was kind of boring. You're watching me do nothing. So I'm just gonna sign off. Call it a day. All right. As always, thanks for watching, supporting, and being part of the journey. I'll see you on the next one. Later.